Good morning, students. Today we will be going to learn about different types of xylem arrangement. From the previous classes, you all will be clear with what is xylem, what are its components, what is its function, and also the two types of xylem that we have discussed in the last class, protoxylem and metaxylem. So for now, we will be going to discuss about xylem arrangements. First type is xylem may be arranged concentric way. If its arrangement is concentric, that may come in two ways. Like it may be amphivassal or it can be amphicribal. In amphivassal arrangement, phloem will be on the inner side and this phloem will be surrounded by xylem. Okay, that type of arrangement is called amphivassal arrangement, and amphivassal arrangement is one of the types of concentric types. And second type is amphicribal arrangement. In amphicribal arrangement, xylem will be in the center and xylem is surrounded by phloem. Okay, so this type of arrangement is known as amphicribal arrangement. First one is amphivassal, wherein phloem in the inner side, phloem surrounded by xylem. In amphicribal, it is xylem surrounded by phloem. Okay. The second type is the next type of arrangements is based on, it depends upon the position of protoxylem and metaxylem. The first one is, here this figure represents exarch arrangement. So exarch is this arrangement or the type of xylem arrangements depending upon the position of protoxylem can be of exarch type, endarch type, mesarch and centrarch type. And another type of arrangement is radial arrangement. In radial arrangement, xylem and phloem bundles will be arranged separately. Here you can see this is a xylem bundle while this is a phloem bundle. So here xylem and phloem bundles are arranged side by side alternately, and they are arranged as separate bundles. One bundle for xylem and another bundle for phloem. While in the first case, in concentric type, both amphicribal and amphivassal types, both were forming a single bundle, and either xylem or phloem can occupy the center. Depending upon that, we are given the different names for this. So in concentric type, both xylem and phloem will be found in a single bundle. They form a single bundle. While in the second case, in radial type, xylem and phloem will be arranged in separate bundles. Hope you are clear with this. And this type of arrangements, exarch, endarch, mesarch and centrarch, these names we give depending upon the position of protoxylem. The first formed xylem is called as protoxylem. Okay. So protoxylem and metaxylem, its arrangement gives the name endarch, exarch, mesarch likewise. So here in this figure you can see metaxylem, these are a single bundle. So here protoxylem is towards the center and metaxylem is found towards the periphery. Okay, first formed xylem is protoxylem, so first formed xylem is found in the center, and after that it grows, xylem grows, and growth is centrifugal because later formed xylem is towards the periphery. So growth is towards the periphery, it means. So first formed xylem, that is protoxylem, is in the center, and later formed xylem, which is the metaxylem, it is towards the periphery. So we can say that the xylem growth is centrifugal, isn't it? So xylem growth is centrifugal, or we can say in other words that protoxylem is towards the center. Okay, In both way it is correct. So in endark arrangement, endark means something that is towards the inner side. So in endark arrangement, protoxylem is towards the center and metaxylem towards the periphery. That type of arrangement is called endark arrangement, or in other words we can say the growth of xylem is centrifugal in endark. Okay, look here in this figure, it is the exact opposite of the first one. Metaxylem is arranged towards the center and protoxylem is towards the periphery. So taking the case of a single bundle, say for this bundle, its protoxylem is towards the periphery and metaxylem towards the center. The same is the case with all of these bundles. How many bundles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bundles are here. Okay. In each of the bundle, it is arranged like the same way. Protoxylem towards the periphery and metaxylem towards the center. So here, growth is centripetal. First formed xylem, protoxylem is found here and it grows in this direction, that is towards the center. The growth is happening centripetal manner. So exarch condition means the growth of xylem is centripetal, or in other words you can say protoxylem is arranged towards the periphery and metaxylem towards the center. That type of arrangement is called as endark arrangement. While in case of mesarch, the growth can be both centripetal and centrifugal. So protoxylem will be surrounded by metaxylem. That type of arrangement is named as mesarch arrangement. So this is all about different types of xylem arrangements. Now we are finished with the xylem component. From the next class onwards, we'll be moving on to the second type of complex tissue, which is phloem. Okay.